Hello photographers, today I'm going to share with you 4 tips on how to pose a newborn and 2 parents in their family photos with one light. The light I'm using is Eistein 640 with a 1.8 meters POM. And it's about 50 centimeters away from the backdrop, 45 degrees to my subjects, which are the parents and the newborn. First thing is to eliminate the gap. You need to determine who you want to hold the baby. If that person is dad, in this case, he needs to face towards you, the photographer, then the other person cuddle around to eliminate the gap in between them. Gap in your photo represents disconnections. Then second of all, hands position. Everyone's hands need to be touching on the baby. Hands position is the key, including the baby's hands. We like seeing the baby holding on to a parent to create an intimate feel. I need to make sure both hands cuddling around the baby are visible in my frame. Eyes down first, and then eyes on the camera, take another shot. Tip number 3, dad pose. The way how dad holds the baby needs to be different to mom. I like showing dad's shoulders by letting dad to hold the baby against his chest. Right now I'm going to move baby's hands by lifting up her left hand and put onto dad's thumb. So in your picture it looks like baby is holding on to her dad. Now get dad to use his chin to hold the baby's head in place. Remember to keep the baby high up and let daddy to lean forward, so that we are not shooting against the nostril or having a big gap in between them. Tip number 4, mommy's pose. Usually I get my mom to crisscross her hands, one hand to support the baby's head, the other hand to support the baby's bum. So whichever the hand is supporting the head needs to be close to the light, and the other hand needs to be away from the light, not the other way around. And try to make sure their faces are touching. Again, we want to eliminate the gap in between them. Don't be afraid to touch your clients and the baby to pose them, because they don't know how to pose themselves. And I am a perfectionist. I try to perfect their poses until that I'm totally satisfied with everything. Make sure their chins are not buried and face not being squashed, and I was ready to shoot. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed my videos, and I'll see you again in the next